Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to finally another Fan Feature Friday. If you guys are new around here on the channel, Fan Feature Friday is basically a way of me, one, saying thank you back to you all by featuring your vehicle on the channel, but it's also a way for you guys to get a shout out. So we have a lot of Toyota enthusiasts on this channel, people who like any range of Toyotas. So if you guys are interested in sending your vehicle in, my email is down in the description. Just send in some photos of your vehicle, what modifications you've done, and which ones you want to do. And if you guys have a social media or anything like that, I can plug it into the video for you guys. So who do we have to celebrate this Fan Feature Friday with? If you guys remember him, we have Mr. Wulfman. He was the one who won Taco Twans and I's giveaway, and we're going to do another one soon. He's the one who won that heritage-style grill up in the front of his 4Runner, and you can see it in these photos. Looks really, really good. So Mr. Wulfman is from California. He has a 2015 4Runner Trail Edition. Some of the modifications that he's done so far is the AJT Design for his key fob. For his low beams, he has Xenon Xtreme LED Pros. His high beams are Supernovas. His reverse lights, he put the Oxilam T15 LEDs back there. Pretty bright bulbs for how small they are. For his tires, he's upgraded them to BFG KO2s. He kept them at the 265 70/17 size just because he liked the OEM size, but his wheels he went with the GFX TR16 just because he liked the negative offset. It actually looks really, really good, and it's a perfect way instead of putting wheel spacers on your vehicle. His lift kit that he has is the Falcon Sport 2-inch lift shock absorber system, and has the Rago fab panels on his rear windows to hold all of his fishing gear and everything like that when he goes camping up in Northern California. So, Mr. Wulfman, thank you again for sending in your vehicle, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful weekend, and if you are new around here and you want to send your vehicle in for a shout out, definitely send it into my email. I love doing these and giving back to you all. Hope your guys' weekend is awesome. Mine's going to be packed full of doing modifications. You can see some right there. Those already came in. We have the Beat Sonic Apple CarPlay that I'm going to be putting back into the OEM head unit. Some light bars. What else? Couple other things, and definitely some mods around the garage. I gotta clean up some crap around the garage and put some things up. So if you guys are new around here, definitely feel free to subscribe, like this video, and I will catch you all in the next one. All right, see you later.